Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video, and today we have a review of a pretty cheap and affordable Bluetooth speaker made by a reputable brand. Today we have the JBL Go 2. Starting off with the unboxing experience. It was a pretty simple one, nothing really special as you can see. Inside the box we have the micro USB cord to charge the speaker. The thing that we found very odd was the fact that it was all wrapped in the documentation. Personally, I don't see why they need this many papers, and the way that they packaged it was not the best. But otherwise, the unboxing was pretty simple. The design of the speaker was what made us curious of the speaker in the first place. We like minimalist looking things, and this was exactly that. When holding the speaker in our hands for the first time, we quickly realized that the back and sides were not metal, but soft plastic, even though it really looks like metal. We are quite impressed at this material choice, as it makes it grippier and more acceptable to shocks when dropped. We can't stress how nice the speaker feels in your hand. The soft plastic really does make the speaker. On the top, we have our usual media controls, and on one side there is a watertight flap you can open to reveal the micro USB charging input and a 3.5mm headphone jack, if you choose for a wired option. And yes, this is IPX7 waterproof. If you forgot that this was a JBL speaker, they have their logo in huge letters on the front. And they also engrave their logo on the back too, to make sure you are a proud owner of a JBL Go 2. When using the speaker, you will instantly be greeted with the well-known JBL boot up noise, which we associate with high quality speakers. What makes this speaker stand out is that despite its small size, it is able to deliver a good amount of noise when playing music at the max volume. It does get a bit distorted when hitting those highs. If you're someone who loves bass, then I would say you should pay more to get the Bose SoundLink Micro, as it has a lot more bass than the JBL Go 2. Another feature that this speaker has is that it is IPX7 waterproof, as mentioned before. And as you can see for yourself, it definitely is able to get drenched in water and still be able to survive. It can be submerged for 30 minutes at a depth of 3 feet. For being a compact and a to-go speaker, we have to talk about its pocketability. It does fit in your pocket, but it makes it look like you have a wallet-sized lump on your leg. In terms of transportability, it can fit in your backpack. I just wished it had a hook like the House of Marley no-bound speaker. Now, if we compare this speaker to a few of our own, we can say that the tests are interesting. We compared it to the House of Marley no-bound speaker and the JBL Clip 3. And what we came out with is the Clip 3 is no match for the Go 2 and the no-bounds. The only good thing about the Clip is pretty much the clip, because if you're going on a hike or biking, it is very useful. The Go 2 is clearer in lower volumes, however when maxed out, the Marleys retain their clarity and win. So if you're someone who brings their speaker to a public gathering, it will do. There are much louder options out there. Overall, we can say that the JBL Go 2 is definitely a good option for someone who enjoys listening to music casually and likes to carry around a speaker just in case it's ever needed. If you're someone who likes to listen to music at loud volumes, then I would say you should stay away from the speaker. But otherwise, this is a great small speaker. Thanks for watching. If you did, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could drop a like, subscribe, and also check out our Instagram and Twitter and give us a follow. It helps us out a bunch. As always, this has been TechBarn during quarantine, and we'll see you in our next video.